Die down, धीरे धीरे कम मजबूत होना. The wind will be die down in the evening. Dry out, सूख जाना. The grass dried out in the sunstroke. Drop off, किसी को या किसी वस्तु को किसी स्थान पर ले जाना या छोड़ देना. My brother dropped me off at school. Drop in, मिलना. If you have time, please drop in on us. Fall off, गिर जाना. He fell off on the road. Feel like, मन करना. I feel like having cold drink. Find out, पता लगाना. She found out the solution of the problem. Fly off, डर के भाग जाना. The thief flew off after seeing the police. Give up, छोड़ देना. You should give up the habit of smoking. Give in, हार मानना. The king gave in to save his life in the war. Get away, दूर होना. Get away from the car. Get down, नीचे उतरना. He could not get down from the tree. Get up, उठना. Do you get up at 6 daily? Get along, घुल मिल जाना. She gets along with everyone very easily. Hold in, रोक कर रखना. Sheila was trying to hold in her tears. Hold on, चालू रखना या रुके रहना. He was on line. I told him to hold on. Hurry up, जल्दी करना. Hurry up, otherwise you will get late. Keep in, अपने आप को रोकना. The doctor kept him in the hospital because of his serious condition. Keep up, स्थापित रखना. He is trying hard to keep it up. Keep off, दूर रहना या बचकर रहना. Keep off the fire, otherwise it will burn you. Look for, ढूंढना. I have been looking for him since last week. Look after, देखभाल करना. The mother is looking after the child. Look into, ध्यान से देखना. He has been looking into your room for a long time. Run after, पीछे जाना. She ran after me to hand me some important papers. See off, विदा करना. I went to station to see off my friend. Sat in, शुरू होना. His exam will set in the month of October. Stand by, साथ देना. He always stands by me in the hour of needs. Show off, दिखावा करना. Stop showing off your money. Take off, उतारना. Take off your coat. Turn on, चलाना. Turn on the tap.